Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, we're going to do the no monomer method. Yes, I have done this in the past, and I will show you what I'm talking about in just a second. So we're going to be using a Saviland acrylic set that comes with 10 acrylics, as I am showing you here. And I am using my nail guards today. Alright, so now we are back after I showed you the colors. I have chosen 5 out of the 10. We're going to use the gold, the white, the black, the red, and this one, I think it's khaki. I could be wrong, it could be brown, I'm not sure. Anyway, the reason I've chosen these colors is because I want to do Alice in Wonderland stickers on top. These are the ones I got from AliExpress. I will leave a link where you can purchase them. But the colors that are in here are also right here. So I figured that would be a really good, cute look we could do. Alright, so to start this off, I'm going in with my foil glue. Just a regular foil glue. Putting that on from cuticle to free edge. I am using my XXL Coffin Nails by Max Estrada. I already applied them with polygel. And I went in with my first layer of foil glue, tapping on the acrylic powder all over the nail until it soaks in. It may take a few layers. Just keep spreading the acrylic on the top of that nail until it is soaked in. Now, this method, like I said, is called the no monomer method because you're not using any monomer. If you guys watched any of my dip powders in the past, you know that I like to use foil glue to adhere the dip powder. It just works better for me. Another really cool thing about using foil glue as your dip powder method or any kind of like powder acrylic method, you can actually peel it off when you're finished with the design. It will literally peel off. And a friend of mine here on YouTube actually has a video showing those steps. So really quickly, I would like to give her a shout out right now. Okay, her name is Tia Bella Beauty here on YouTube. She is a fantastic friend. She does really great nails. She's such a sweetheart. You guys definitely go check her out. She has a lot of the no monomer method videos. She also has a video showing how she peels off the design using this method. So go check her out. Thank you, girl, for always posting and tagging me. I do appreciate it. You are amazing. Thank you. Alright guys, so here I'm just again applying the foil glue. Make sure that it goes from cuticle to free edge. You don't have any missing spots. And then pour that powder right over the top. Acrylic powder, dip powder, either one will work. Now, you do want to make sure you don't miss any spots because you don't want to have any spots missing when you apply the powder. Another great thing about this, like I said, you can peel the design off when you're finished, or you can wear it for 2 weeks, whatever you want to do. Also, the reason I like using the foil glue and have always used foil glue for acrylic or dip powder is because it's easier for me. Number one, it's really sticky. I think it's always worked best for me. You have to try it and let me know what you guys think, but it feels like it just lets the powder stick. Like it pulls it as soon as you pop that powder on, like that powder's not moving. But when I seem to use like a gel base, my gel will actually flow into my sidewall or my cuticle, or it'll bunch up at the free edge or something before I get that powder on, and then I'm left with lumps and bumps. And with this method, you hardly have any kind of finish filing to do at all. See, it after I apply the second layer, you guys will see how smooth this application looks. How amazing this application is. You've got to try it. If you do try it, please tag me on Instagram at babygirlnails with a Z. Also hashtag no monomer method. And I would love to hear your thoughts about it. So I'm going in with a second coat. Now, the first coat did have some streaks, but that's how it is with foil glue. You're going to have a little bit of streaking once you do your first coat, but then simply just go over it again with a second coat. Once you do that, it's going to be nice and opaque. Everything's going to look nice and tight. It's going to look smooth. It's going to look great. You're going to love it. I know you will. You have to try it. See that? Flawless. Absolutely flawless. And I'm not trying to brag. I'm just telling you guys, the foil glue method works amazing. I do not like dip powder liquid. I just do not like it. The first time I ever tried it, I just hated it from then on out. So that's when I tried to do the foil glue, and I was like, you know what? This stuff works great. So that's when I continued to just use the foil glue from then on out. You can use a foil glue gel, but this way is a lot better just using a regular foil glue. Because number one, you're just letting it air dry. You don't have to cure it, okay? So you're not exposing yourself to any UV rays. Number two, you can peel the design off after you're finished if you want. Number three, there's no monomer, no smell, no harsh chemicals. Number four, the foil glue is not going to run into your cuticle. It's not going to run into your sidewalls. It leaves a very smooth application, if I say so myself. I think it's amazing, actually. And I don't know why no one's ever thought of this. I think it's a brilliant way to do an acrylic, especially if you're allergic to monomer. Or if you're allergic to that smell, because I know I am. I do not like the smell of monomer. I just can't stand it. And some gels are even strong. So doing it this way, it's a win-win both ways. This is my second coat, and honestly, that's all you need for these gel tips. And yeah, so after you're finished, you're going to let those dry. Now that is another thing, you're going to let them air dry, if I didn't already say that, because foil glue needs to be air dried, but it only takes 5 to 10 minutes for foil glue to dry. So again, not bad. You're just going to keep going on to the next nail until all of them are dry. Once they are, you're going to start to brush that off again. Brush off any excess acrylic or dip powder. And then in a minute, I'm going to show you that look how flawless. They look amazing. And like I said, I have very little filing to do. Alright, so you're going to just finish dusting your nails off. Once you do that, go ahead and finish filing if you need to. I think they turned out great. I really do. Alright, so here we go in with the Alice in Wonderland stickers. These things are very flimsy, so you've got to be very careful. They do rip. They do rip so easily. But I will leave a link where you can purchase them. I got them from AliExpress. But I think they worked pretty good. I should have done these nails in a matte finish, but I didn't. I went in with a glossy. I think a matte would have actually made the sticker stand out more, but that's just me. After I applied the sticker, I did go in and top coat that real quick so it's not moving around. Also, my light. A lot of people ask me where I get that flashlight stand. I have 2 links. One for Amazon and one for AliExpress. Now, it's not the exact same one, but it will work. And I just took some Chunky Charms and some gel and applied those to the stand and then cured it. And that's how I did mine. And so they do not come decorated, guys. They do not come decorated. You have to decorate them yourself. So again, guys, go check out this Saviland acrylic set. It's actually really nice. I had no problems with it. It went on really, really nice. No lumps and bumps. Very smooth acrylic. Very fine acrylic. It was a full opaque coverage after 2 coats. Yeah, no issues with it. I like it. I'll leave the link for you guys down below if you are interested in this set. It's a really good, I would say, a really good fall set because of the colors. You can use them anytime, but yeah. Fall, I would say fall and winter. So again, guys, go check out my girl Tia Bella Beauty here on YouTube. Like I said, she shows the no monomer method many times. She also shows how you can peel off your look right after you do the nails. Like, you can literally just peel it right off. And that's what's so neat about using a regular foil glue. Alright, also with these gems or alloys, I will find links for all of that stuff and I'll put it down below. I'm just going in with the rhinestones. After I apply, I do a flash cure. Super simple, guys, and I know you're gonna love this method. If you try it, let me know. Let me know what you think of it. Once I'm done applying the stones, I will go in and do a top coat from cuticle to free edge. Also, make sure to cap your free edge. I do go over the gold alloys also. The only one I don't go over is the one with the rhinestone. Just to be on the safe side. You know, once those go in water, they start to tarnish. And I just, you know, I don't want that, so. I always top coat them if they don't have rhinestones. But again, I really did like the Saviland acrylics. And I'm not a big acrylic person. But doing it this way, I will use acrylics all day long. So after I finish the top coat, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Go in with your cuticle oil. And that's it. You guys are ready to go out on the town. Go shopping. Go just show them off, ladies. Show those nails off. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys wear these? Would you guys rock these? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed, what are you guys waiting on? It only takes 1 minute and it's free. I would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Also, guys, help me get to 50K. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye, guys.